Welcome to our electrifying exploration of the diverse and dynamic world of dance. From graceful ballet to energetic hip-hop, dance is a universal language that speaks to the rhythm of the human spirit. Are you ready to groove and move as we discover the many styles of dance? Let's hit the dance floor and get started. Our first dance style is the epitome of elegance and poise, ballet. Spells out B-A-L-L-E-T, ballet. Can you stand tall like a ballerina on your tiptoes? Demonstrate standing on tiptoes, ballet. Let's twirl and leap with grace and precision as we tell stories through movement. Next up, we're getting down with the funky beats of hip-hop. Spells out H-I-P-H-O-P, hip-hop. Can you pop and lock like a hip-hop dancer? Demonstrates popping and locking, hip-hop. Let's groove to the rhythm and express ourselves with attitude and swagger on the dance floor. Moving to the smooth and sassy sounds of jazz dance. Spells out J-A-Z-Z, jazz. Can you shimmy and shake like a jazz dancer? Demonstrates shimmying, jazz. Let's feel the music in our bones and improvise with style and flair as we swing and sway to the beat.